Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with TCL 40 SE. To do this, we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings. Now make sure you're on top of the page and click on the combination of the power key and volume down key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and now on this pop-up you'll see scroll. Click on it and it will begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. When it reaches the bottom, it won't save automatically. You will need to click on done. Now to save it in the gallery, click on this switch and it should be sent there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.